Hey everyone, we will be checking out the Jeecoo J100 Pro gaming headset. It is a 7.1 surround sound headset that can be used with many of your gaming products like smartphones, computers, or even gaming stations. Let's check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one Jeecoo gaming headset, one noise cancelling mic, along with a mic sponge cover, a USB music controller, a user guide to guide users on the operation of the product, along with a storage pouch, all packed neatly in the product packing. On first impressions, it has a really sturdy design to it when I am holding onto it. Love the solid framework and design. It has padded plush memory foam cushions on the ear cups and headband of the headphone. It is also flexible and can adapt to the user's head size when worn. The adjustable aluminum frame is solid and durable. It can be adjusted to fit the user comfortably. I can connect the noise cancelling mic to allow me to communicate when gaming. Great. Use the product via the headphone jack, which can fit smartphones, or use the USB controller. It has many control features as you see in this diagram on what it can do, like increase or decreasing of volume, etc. The USB controller can be plugged into a computer like what I did here. The innovative control box allows me to control my device audio settings with the control box. Cool. After use, users can simply store it in the pouch provided after use. It protects the headphone when it's kept in storage. Overall, I find the Jeecoo J100 Pro gaming headset a good option for gamers like me, who loves an immersive gaming experience. The headset delivers great audio quality. If you want to find out more about this headset, you can check out the link in description for more details. Thank you for watching.